Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. As you know that this is my second channel. In my Social Science with NKSR channel, many videos of your Term 1 syllabus that were already uploaded. And this channel, as you are requested, sir, we need more contents for our Term 2 syllabus. So my team is planned to make this channel for your Term 2 syllabus. And I hope this channel will be also helpful for you. And in this channel you will get the extra question concept of every chapter of social science from class 6 to 12. Live classes were also there, quizzes along with that. You will get the quizzes also, and some more important things for the history will be uploaded. So I hope you must have subscribed this channel, and along with that social science with NKSR channel also. I hope you have subscribed that. So because if you will subscribe the channel, you will get the notification immediately after uploaded the newly videos, because every day my team uploaded many videos in both the channels, so that if you will subscribe, then you will get the notification, and that will be helpful for you. And today my team is ready to record the video of class 8 social and political life, second chapter, understanding secularism. So as I always tell you that you should sit with a notebook and a copy, so that you can evaluate yourself whether how much you understood that chapter. So I hope you all are ready. So shall we start? So our first question is which one is a correct statement with regard to South Arabia? Uh, I'm repeating the question. Which one is a correct statement with regard to Saudi Arabia? And your options are: non-Muslims can gather in a public place for prayer. They cannot build a temple, church, etc. They can live in their own way. None of the above. So which one is the right answer with regard to Saudi Arabia? Okay, so option number B, they cannot build a temple, church, etc. Moving toward the next question, the most important aspect of secularism is its death. The most important aspect of secularism is its death. And your options are: separation of religion from state power, separation of politics from religion, separation of one community from another, and last option is mixing of religion with state power. I hope you all must have written the answer. So and the right answer is separation of religion from the state power. Okay, so this is the most important aspect of secularism, which is separation of religion from state power. Next question: the government cannot force Sikhs to wear a helmet while driving two-wheelers because your options are: Sikhs are very powerful, they do not obey government rules, and they took handsome in pagri, and wearing a pagri is very important part of Sikh religion. So what is the right answer of this question? The right answer is option number D. Wearing a pagri is very important part of Sikh religion. Next question: in American secularism there is a dash strict separation between religion and the state, and loose separation between religion and the state, and strict mingling of religion with the state, and strict rule that conflicts all the religion. And the right answer is strict separation between religion and a state. Okay, so these are some of the important MCQ based question of this chapter, and more MCQ based questions are prepared that will be uploaded very soon. I hope this MCQ based question will be also helpful for you. We'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions of another chapter. Thank you.